A little update on the tape measure spring steel. I can get it in and operate the latch with a bit of effort, but it's a lot easier to use the ones I had already, made from the spray can. And that went in rather easily. I don't know if that's gone in far enough or not. We'll find out in a minute. No, that one can't be in far enough. Yeah. So yeah, it was a nice idea, but it's just not. I need it to be wider, and I need really to put a T shape on it like these, so you've got a bit of leverage to wiggle it around. Yeah. So, interesting idea, but nah, didn't work for me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.